I have been having a lot of fun in my art room today on another play day. There is my water balloon that I have just shown you, tilting it around my canvas, which is coated in white Jazz Art base paint, and I'm so far really happy with the way that has come out. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers using marbles on their paintings, a technique which I actually had seen used a couple of years ago but has now reawakened. A lot of the artists are doing some fantastic artwork with it, but I just thought I'd use some of my drippings to coat my my canvas with the drippings that I put onto my water balloon first and then rolled it around the little canvas. So I'll now bring it up closer to the light to show you. I'm really pleased with the effect of that. It's quite pretty. And at the beginning, as you know, I put up the colours that I had in my drippings, but they're kind of all merged. You can't really see much of them, but that doesn't matter to me because the overall effect has come out quite misty, wraith-like. Yes, that's my imagination again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the picture aside, and then I'm going to get a couple of my coasters that I've bought at charity shops, and I'm going to dip them into the drippings to see what sort of patterns I can get. Well, there you are, two almost completely different results for my coasters. That one, which was the second one I did, is pretty, but very much along the style that I'm used to getting from dipping the placemats. But this one, I think, is just beautiful. I'm loving the colours, the way they have come out in this one. And I thought about dipping another one like that, but I'm going to leave it at those because it is just another way of using up your paint drippings. So that's it for me for my video for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.